Okay, I got it installed. Now this thing's going to feel like it's not in there all the way because you have all that. Just make sure that the foam rim that you have down here didn't get pushed aside, didn't get rubbed off, scraped off, or anything like that. So, and as long as you make sure you're into the little tube goes through there, and the little two tabs go through, and you're under the big one down here, you're good to go. And you notice you haven't broken off your tab here that goes over there. So plug it in, and like they said, this thing comes with tabs on both sides. So you make sure the red goes to the pink wire. Like so. So we got the pink on that side and the red on that side. And I'm going to slide this up out of the way temporarily. So it's got a little maze it goes through to hold the wires in place there. And I'm going to slide this back under because it goes under, and when you rotate, when you close these, it brings it up because it's spring loaded, and it gives you a little bit more of a space to slide this back in underneath. So not going to be easy, but it wasn't easy getting them out. And you make sure the tab is in the right place, and that hole goes in the right place, and there you go. Now for this guy, I'm going to push him back down through there, and the wires back through a little maze, and I'm going to leave it up here near the top. Put the two screws back in. And like I mentioned before, when you're dealing with plastic, rotate backwards until you feel it drop into the original threads. Okay. To the other one. And I don't think I got the right threads. That's better. Okay. Everything's good to go. Wires are all nice and tucked back in there. And you don't actually see where the LED is for your blind spot monitoring, but that I would have liked to have changed that to some other color, but it's not in the cards. And this basically just snaps on the way a lot easier than it came off. Theoretically. I just jinxed myself. There we go. Okay. Here's these things here. So there we go. I mean, it looked better during the night, but I mean, it's visible, and this is direct sunlight. You can see the LEDs in it now. I didn't notice that on the other side.